Hi everyone, it is time to unbox the August limited edition box. Now I did send one of these over to Katie at Diamonds and Washi, so she'll do a more thorough one. This is usually just my quick preview, especially because if you are a Diamond Daughter Goddess member, you get first dibs on these boxes, so I need to get this out so you can see it. Alright, well, as you can see, we've got some pink striped paper. And there's a few new things to this box, so I'm going to try and explain them. First one being, instead of a sticker, you're going to get this little guide. Now, it's like a little inspirational card. Everyone's is different, but it'll have a number and a phrase. The number is what you're going to want to keep an eye on. And hold on to this, because at the end of August, or the third week of August, there will be a number, random number drawn. And if you have that number, you'll get a special little prize pack. So there you go. That's your entry. Now, we have 2 cover minders. That's right, 2. You can buy either or, and you'll add it to your box. So if you want the little Sunday cup one, or if you want the hedgehog, you get to pick. Or if you want to pay a little extra, you get both. So 2 limited edition ones. Why? Because I couldn't decide. Our usual washi tape. And then we have our goodies. So the limited edition scents, which will give away the theme pretty quickly: banana split, the mystery scent, pistachio ice cream, and hot fudge sundae. Okay. Then same thing with the sticky wax tins. They all smell really good, by the way. All right, I'm gonna pull this one out. I will have to put a picture of the standard pen because I totally forgot to grab it, but it is light pink with some gemstones around it. So here's our tray. It is ice cream or vanilla ice cream colored with sprinkles and stripes. So we have that. Isn't that cute? This is made from Creations by LP. And then we have our drills. So we have the square AB 3865, which is winter white, and then shell pink, which is square AB 224. So those are really fun. And then for our pen, now this is made by Mystical Designs. And I want you guys to look at this pen because it is so stinking pretty. And there will always be some variations with the pens, but look at that. It's got the pink, it's even got some like clear glitter and all this, but it matches like perfectly with everything. So perfect, so cute. So yeah, that is the limited edition box. Now you'll still have the choice of picking a mini box, which comes with a pen, the drills, basically everything but the tray. You'll get to pick which cover minder you want, or get both. You can do the standard pen, which I will put a picture up in my community tab for those who get to do a, get to grab them early. And then as always, you'll get to pick your scents. So you can do all putty, all wax, 1 putty and wax, and mix and match. And then of course I thought it'd be fun to have this little ice cream surprise. So yeah. That is the limited edition box. I'm like really excited to show it to you guys. I hope you enjoy because this one is super cute, and I wanted to keep this short because Katie does a great job at our huge unboxing. So until next time, take care. Bye now.